In this tutorial, we'll learn how to save participants' order from a shop builder task and display it later in a following task as a receipt. Let's start by previewing the experiment to see this in action. First, we complete a simulated shopping activity created in the shop builder. Here, participants can browse products, add them to their basket, and check out when they're ready. After checking out, a receipt is displayed. This shows purchased products, their price, and the total cost of the order. Let's return to the experiment to see how this has been configured. In the shop builder task, the checkout condition has the Save Cart option enabled. This saves the content of the participant's cart to embedded data. In the destination setting, the data is stored under the name receipt_products. We'll use this field name later to retrieve the cart information. Returning to the experiment, we can now look at the next task in the flow. On screen 1, the display receipt component has been added. The receipt field setting has been bound to the receipt_products field in the store. By binding the component to the same field name used in the shop builder task, we can retrieve the saved cart information and display it as a receipt. By adding both of these tasks to the experiment, you can save a participant's final shopping cart in the shop builder task and then pass that information to a later task.